Hello guys, if you are a streamer or digital content creator, then this video is for you. Because stringer transition is mostly used by the streamer. In this video, I am going to show you how to make custom stringer transition on Filmora X. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. Go to sample colors and drag green color into timeline. And add white color into second track. Now select green and white color and right click on this. And go duration. Set duration around 2 seconds and click OK. Now go to File and go Project Settings. Change frame rate to 60 fps and click OK. Now lock green color. Now right click on preview window and go zoom level. And change zoom level to 10%. Now select white color and resize position like this. Then double click on white color and go animation, then customize. Then add a keyframe in first frame of white color. Then go to near the middle position and drag white color like this. Then again go same frame later and add a keyframe. Then again go last part of white color and drag white color like this. Then adjust keyframe like this by dragging. Let's check preview. Change zoom level to fit and check again. Nice, now go back 10% zoom level again. Now copy white color and paste on timeline. Now drag previous white color in upper timeline. And drag second white color in empty track. Now lock previous white color and select second white color and go color correction. You can manually choose another color, but for tutorial purpose I choose this color. Now change keyframe position like this. Let's check preview. Change zoom level to fit and check again. As you can see, our transition effect is done. You can now export this. but you can add a background music and logo for better view. Drag background music into timeline. Okay, now add your logo into timeline. The logo will start from here, the transition will start. Drag your logo starting point here. By same process, the logo will end where the transition ends. Now double click on this and go animation. Add a keyframe here. And go where transition past the logo and add a keyframe. Then go fast keyframe and change opacity to 0%. Apply same process in last part but change opacity to last keyframe. As you can see, our effect is done. Now you can export it. Drag your transition middle part of two videos in upper timeline. Double click on this and go video properties. Activate chroma key features and change chroma color to green. As you can see, our transition effect is done. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.